Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated camera releases of 2025, the OM system OM-3. The photography world is buzzing with speculation, and fans of mirrorless cameras are eagerly awaiting details on what could be a game-changing device. With whispers of cutting-edge sensor technology, next-level autofocus, and high-end video features, could this be the ultimate hybrid shooter for photographers and videographers alike? Let's break down everything we know, from expected specs to pricing, release date, and more. OM Systems' next evolution in photography. OM Digital Solutions, the company that took over Olympus' legendary camera division, has made impressive strides in mirrorless camera innovation. With the success of the OM system OM-1 and OM-5, it's clear that the brand is dedicated to pushing imaging technology forward. The rumored OM-3 aims to bridge the gap between professionals and enthusiasts by offering top-tier performance in a compact and lightweight design. Revolutionary sensor and image processing. At the heart of the OM-3 is the anticipated introduction of a 25MP stacked BSI, backside illuminated, micro Four Thirds sensor. This would mark a significant leap from previous models, delivering enhanced low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and superior image clarity. Expect richer colors, better detail retention, and a sensor designed for fast-paced photography and videography. Paired with this advanced sensor is the new TruePic X Plus image processor, rumored to enhance readout speeds, rolling shutter reduction, and noise control. Faster processing means better burst shooting, quicker autofocus response, and improved overall performance, making it an ideal option for sports, wildlife, and landscape photographers. Premium build quality and ergonomics. OM system cameras have a legacy of rugged, weather-sealed designs, and the OM-3 will likely continue this tradition. Leaks suggest a magnesium alloy body with full weatherproofing, ensuring durability in extreme conditions, from cold to humid environments. Additionally, ergonomics appear to be a focus, with rumors hinting at a redesigned, deeper grip for better handling, especially when paired with long telephoto lenses. This could be a significant advantage for outdoor and travel photographers who need a camera that balances portability with comfort. Expected price and release date. Pricing predictions suggest the OM-3 will be positioned in the premium category, likely between $1,800 and $2,200. This places it in direct competition with high-end APS-C and entry-level full-frame mirrorless cameras, making it a top-tier option for micro Four Thirds users. As for the release date, industry analysts expect an official unveiling in late 2025, aligning with OM Systems' historical launch cycles. If true, we could see pre-orders open before the end of the year, just in time for the holiday season. Breakthrough autofocus system. One of the biggest rumored upgrades is the advanced hybrid autofocus system. The OM-3 is expected to incorporate both phase detection and contrast detection AF, enabling lightning-fast subject tracking. This means better accuracy for fast-moving subjects, making it a powerful tool for wildlife, action, and sports photography. Even more exciting is the speculation surrounding AI-powered subject recognition. If the OM-3 integrates AI-based automatic tracking for humans, animals, and vehicles, it could revolutionize mirrorless autofocus performance, setting a new standard for speed and precision. Enhanced video capabilities for content creators. For videographers, the OM-3 is shaping up to be a compelling hybrid shooter. Expected features include 4K recording up to 120 frames per second for smooth slow-motion footage, 10-bit internal recording with professional-grade color profiles like OM-Log for flexible post-production editing. Enhanced in-body image stabilization is rumored to offer up to 8 stops of compensation, making handheld shooting steadier than ever. These upgrades would make the OM-3 a strong competitor in the content creation space, ideal for vloggers, filmmakers, and hybrid shooters looking for cinematic quality video in a compact package. Upgraded viewfinder and display. A high-resolution electronic viewfinder upgrade is expected, featuring 5.76 million dots and a 120 Hz refresh rate. This would provide a sharp, lag-free viewing experience, making it easier to track moving subjects and frame shots with precision. A fully articulating touchscreen LCD is also rumored, catering to vloggers and photographers who need flexibility in framing. Whether you're shooting from high angles or low angles or capturing selfies, this versatile display could greatly enhance usability. Next-level connectivity and battery life. Modern mirrorless cameras demand seamless connectivity, and the OM-3 is expected to feature the latest in wireless technology. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 for faster, more stable file transfers. Remote shooting capabilities via a dedicated app allow photographers to control their cameras wirelessly. Battery life is another key focus, with rumors pointing to a more efficient power management system. If true, this could significantly extend shooting time compared to the OM-5, making it a reliable workhorse for long shoots. Expanding the Micro Four Thirds ecosystem. As a Micro Four Thirds camera, the OM-3 will benefit from an extensive lens lineup, including both OM system and third-party manufacturers. Additionally, there are whispers that OM Digital Solutions may launch new professional lenses alongside the camera. These could include a compact telephoto zoom for wildlife and sports, a high-speed wide-angle prime lens for landscape and portrait photography. This means that photographers will have an even greater range of creative possibilities, further solidifying the OM-3's versatility across different photography styles. Final thoughts. Is the OM-3 worth the hype? If the leaks are accurate, the OM system OM-3 could be a major milestone for Micro Four Thirds cameras. From its state-of-the-art sensor and powerful autofocus system to its advanced video capabilities and rugged design, it has the potential to attract both enthusiasts and professionals. As we await official confirmation from OM Digital Solutions, the anticipation surrounding the OM-3 highlights the brand's ongoing commitment to innovation. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or a content creator, this high-performance mirrorless system could offer the perfect blend of power and portability. Are you excited about the OM-3? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Techno Trend Zone, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest camera news, tech reviews, and industry insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.